Don't miss this outstanding 2003 Citation CJ2, serial number 159, presented exclusively by Soljets. This aircraft features many upgrades and is fully enrolled in TAP Elite and Pro parts. In addition to the Collins ProLine 21 avionics suite, the aircraft is loaded with TCAS-1, dual Garmin GTX 33D transponders, Garmin's GTN 650 and 750 displays. Recent avionics upgrades include ADS-B in and out, as well as WAAS LPV certification. The CJ2's 8-place passenger cabin is outfitted with gray leather seats, including an aft belted lav, 2 forward-facing seats, a center 4-place club, and a forward side-facing seat. The leather is accented with slate carpet, cherry wood cabinetry, and stowable executive writing tables. With a 2013 paint refurbishment completed by Westar Aviation, this CJ2 exterior complements the interior perfectly. The Matterhorn white base color is accented with sleek silver, dark gray, and maroon striping. The Cessna Citation CJ2 is known for its simplicity, fuel efficiency, and performance. Combine that with this aircraft's upgrades and elegant cosmetics, and you've got one of the world's most in-demand light jets. The 2003 Cessna Citation CJ2, serial number 159. Soljets, freedom, adventure, delivered.